Today, I'm gonna show you how you all can pull off 14 different eyeliner styles and more. Hello everyone, this is Ayush. Welcome back. Hooded eyes, downturned eyes, Asian eyes, mature eyes, small eyes or large eyes or whatever type of eyes, all eyes are beautiful and astonishing and all of them can wear any style of eyeliner. This video is gonna prove that to the world. So wake up your inner artist and let's begin. If you want your eyes to look more defined without letting people know that you have put eyeliner on, then you can go for tight line. Lift your head up or lower your mirror. You can also use your finger to make the roots of your lashes visible to make the application easy. This will make your eyelashes look thicker, denser without having to put mascara or false lashes on. If you want a subtle lift to your eyes or tight line looks way too invisible to you, then you can draw a thin line. Liquid liners are the easiest ones for this. All you need to do is lay the brush flat right adjacent to the roots, leaving no gap, and go parallel. Follow this technique and you will fall in love with it. You can make this thin line a bit thick. Make sure you are making small strokes to avoid mistakes. If you feel it looks odd on you, then switch to thinner one or use a pencil and smudge it to make it look softer and smoky. This will make your eyes look more juicy. In my personal opinion, this is the most elegant eyeliner style. This can be applied in any angle according to your eye. It can slightly alter your facial expressions without shouting out it loud. Draw small strokes and smoothen it out. That's it. Keep switching between your eyes to make both eyes look similar more easily. You can accompany it with tight line as well, and I call it super thin wing. Again, if you want your wings to be more visible, then draw a thicker wing by just adding few more strokes to make this wing look thicker. Make sure you are keeping your eyes open in all these type of wings. This line worth note making, so note it down. Some of you might have started noticing that these wings look jagged or maybe broken or uneven on your eyes. I'll show you the solution in the next one because I experienced the same problem in the next type of eyeliner, which is a thicker wing. First, I will draw the bottom edge of the wing parallel to the waterline. Keep it as long as you please. I'll keep my eyes open and look straight, not down. Make sure that you're doing this for every type of eyeliner. Leaving the tip free, from right before the tip, I'll connect it to the lash line. Now look down, you'll see this breakage. Connect these lines only, don't try to smoothen it out while you're looking down or your eyes are closed. Do the same with all such breakages and fill. No matter wherever you are seeing breakage in your wings, on the top, on the bottom, try this technique and you will see the better results. Check from all angles if your wing looks fine. Only smoothen the junction of your wing with the rest of the liner. This thing or the technique would be followed with all the styles and eyes. Yes, this is universal and it can work with any type of eye. If you want to evade the hard work of fixing all these cracks, then try straight or horizontal wing. The only difference is the lower edge is going to be horizontal. That's it. This will help you avoid many of these folds which are making your eyeliner look cracked, and also it will make your eyes look longer instead of lifted. Make sure that the upper edge of the eyeliner is in a smooth transition with the lash line and follow the same technique if it looks cracked. This brings us to another similar style, the Korean eyeliner. Korean eyeliner does not always focus on cat eye. It also lets you embrace your natural eye shape. Just keep it thin. It can go a little droopy, straight and thin. This one looks a really cute and delicate type of wing. This will make your eyes look more rounder if you are looking for that type of look. If you want that angular and cat eye look without struggling through all these overrated wings, then this will be your bestie. There are two ways of doing it. First, start lining the inner corner of your upper lash line. Now extend it in the same direction as long as you prefer. You can leave it like this or connect it to the bottom lash. Just like we did for the wing, here also leave the tip and connect the shaft of it to the tear duct, meaning lower lash line. Don't go beyond this. Second, start with your tear duct. extend it forward, then connect it to your upper lid. Follow the same technique we used in the other type of wings. If it looks broken, if your inner eye has some type of fold, then draw over the fold, then stretch and fill that gap. You can leave it like this or line rest of your waterline with pencil, not liquid. First one will make your eyes look more tilted and second one will make them look longer. If you keep your eyeliner super thin along with this inner wing and accompany it with an angular wing, and now you have foxy eyes. You can also avoid applying any type of eyeliner on your lash line, only fill the inner corner and the wing, that's it. If all these bold wings seem way too loud to you, then this one might impress you. I call it smoked or soft wing. Make one dot of long-lasting kajal or pencil at the outer corner of your eye. Use the side of your little finger and drag it in upward direction. Use other fingers to soften it. Make sure your skin is not dry here. This may irritate your skin. You can also use a brush to make it more defined. This would look very soft, and you can also intensify by applying more product. You have another softer looking option, outer double line. Line the outer halves of both lashes, thin inside and slightly thicker at the corner. You can smudge it as well. That will be helpful in case of hood or wrinkles. This one will make your eyes look longer and more far apart. So if you feel like your eyes are way too close to each other, then this one can be your holy grail. If you want drama and be loud without having to open your mouth, then next one will be the weapon of yours. I call it block wing. It will block all the bad things from your life. It can even block the traffic. This one is more squarish type of wing, like drawing a rectangle or parallelogram on your eye. Draw an upward line. I prefer it to be slightly longer. You can keep it shorter if you want to. Now draw a straight line joining the center of the eye and the point before the tip. Fill it, smoothen the tip and trace the remaining lash. No need to make it curvy. Keep the lines as straight as possible. Finally, we are going to see the last style, the reverse cat eye. One of the latest styles today. This is a great combination of lifting the eyes and dragging them down at the same time. This looks so different that it would set you apart from the crowd effortlessly. This makes such a statement. You can use both pencil or liquid. Fill and trace your bottom lash line. Draw the inner wing. Make sure the pencil tip is sharp enough or use a liquid. For the outer wing, there are many methods. Number 1, use a sharp tip pencil and draw in the angle of lower lash line. Follow the technique of winged eyeliner. You can also seal this at place by applying liquid over it, or you can use your finger or cotton to smudge it out. Number 2, draw an angular line from the end or slightly above of your eye. Now connect it to your bottom eyeliner on the upper lid. Smoothen it on the upper lid. Also, you can add thin line on upper lid as well. That was all for this video. Thank you so much. And we still just touched only a drop from the ocean. There are a lot of things remaining to discuss. We'll do that in future. Tell me in the comments which topic you want to see next. I'll make video on them. Also, like and subscribe to show your appreciation. I just want to tell you that there are no obligations in art. You are worthy of every good thing you get in your life. Show yourself that love and embrace, because you are more than eligible for it. Recreate these looks or not, you are far more adorable than what people and you think. With this positive note, we are going to say, see you soon. Take care.